We're going to explain how to delete headers in Microsoft Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you mean by header. 1. If you're talking about the printed header at the top of each page, like a page number or your company name, you'll need to access the Page Setup dialog box. To the Page Layout tab on the ribbon, then click Print Titles. In the Print Titles dialog box, you'll see sections for header and footer. Simply clear the text boxes in the header section to remove the header. If your header was inserted using the header and footer tools, you can also click on the header itself, highlighting the text to then delete it via backspace or the delete key. Click OK to save your changes. 2. If you're referring to the top row of your spreadsheet that contains titles for your data, often styled differently and may be merged, you're not deleting a header in the page setup sense, but deleting a row. Simply select the entire row, click the row number containing the header, then right-click and select Delete. This will remove the entire row from your worksheet. 3. Another interpretation of header might be a specific text style applied to some cells. If cells are styled to look like a header, you'd remove the styling rather than the cell content itself. Select the cells you want to change, then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Find the font section and remove any special formatting like bolding, larger font size, or a specific font. You could also adjust the cell's background color or borders if you used any to highlight the header. Remember to save your Excel workbook after making these changes to avoid losing your work. In each case, understanding what part of your sheet you're calling a header is key to successfully removing it. There are various ways to delete a header. The method depends on whether you're removing the printed header on each page, deleting a row of data containing titles, or just removing formatting applied to cells. Always save your changes after deleting the header to avoid losing your work.